So official when I'm out here in these streets. So official. It ain't no cap if I don't fuck with you, I tell you. I'm so official when I'm hopping on these beats. I'm speaking facts and only tell you what I know. I'm so official, got me looking like a panda. Black and white, I got a bitch for every stripe. I'm so official, I got presidents I know. They all dead, but try to take, I'm trained to go.
So official when I talk, so official when I walk. You not official when it come to your name, so play your part. In the hood with no heart, and you ain't even got no spot. I come around, Lord, nigga.
What's going on with you? I know it's your boy Little T. Back in full effect, you already know how I'm. Yeah, man. Hey, man. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Now we got them boys AMP. These niggas running a food truck, yeah. But y'all gonna have to strap, man, cause this is a whole 48 fucking minute video. So y'all just want to band with me. I'm not gonna do no more talking because nigga, we got 48 fucking minutes of doing that shit. So lock in with me.
Come on, one food.
Alright, hell no.
That shit nasty. I was ready to say, I wonder can these niggas really cook. We want food. We want food. Yo, Agent Zero really got skinny as shit, yo. Like, skinny.
Up, Ted. Shut.
Trying up a little bit.
Y'all from the Bronx, right? Y'all both from the Bronx?
Yeah.
What part of the Bronx you from?
167.
What part you from?
Uptown.
Both my niggas.
Nigga said both of them niggas some pussies.
I got you, gang.
Stop playing with that boy, he was ready. Both y'all niggas some
Understand, bro?
pussies.
I really be cooking. I ain't gonna lie, like, I'm not a cook.
Why he got the mic so
You know how
close?
you got a skill that you have, but you don't know you have it? That's me.
Oh, okay, so it's TV2, okay. So what, Agent Zero Duke Dennis together?
Ourselves wrong, right? We gotta work hard, bro. We got this, bro. This is easy, my brother. Okay? Roscoe Chicken 2.
1 for house shoot?
Hey, Chris and Davis, on 3.
1, 2, 3. Davis and Chris!
Nigga said Davis a cred. Nigga, my name go first.
household where my mom could always cook for me and my dad could always cook for me. So I know I got potential. But why are we always talking about cooking? You know what I'm saying? Why are we not talking about the political and economical state of the world?
Oh, God.
Order in the court? Alright, bet. Let's get it poppin'.
Hey, dude, if you don't pay attention, we're done. Like, we're done.
We done anyway.
Whoa.
No.
Whoa.
You can cook, though. I ain't cheating.
Yeah, have a little bit of faith, man.
I can cook, too.
Yeah, say it. I want to hear you say
I
it.
can do anything I put my mind to.
Facts.
I like that.
I
want
got
to
the
know
gym,
my
yeah.
stats. I've successfully cooked 0 meals. I've almost burned 3 homes down. My food is almost always undercooked or overcooked. There's no in between.
Nigga, that's just right there.
Grabbing it with 2. Nah,
This is what we gonna do. We're gonna cut that in half. One of y'all cut it in half. Who's gonna do it?
He good with meat, bro. You know how to handle it. Don't say that.
Nigga said he good with meat.
Go ahead.
And first of all, once again, I just want to say fuck Agent, because he's my biggest hater, bro. Nigga, only thing I can't do shit, you ass. You're so ass, bro. What's my mother? You're trash, bro.
Where I put it? Right there.
Everything?
Yeah.
Everything.
But the plastic. Thank you. I will let you cut this, but the way you have that knife, dog. Oh, I got you. Nah, I'm good, bro.
Nah, let him do it. Let him do it for the one time.
Bro, I want.
Let's see. Let's see.
All right.
How the fuck you drop the knife?
Bruh.
Come on, I need you to tighten the fuck up. You on my team, nigga. Come on, he just said it. He literally just said it, bro.
I think the first time I cooked was in the first AMP video when y'all tried to make me swallow that worm. I'm not doing that.
You need this?
Nah.
I'm trying to make me swallow that worm.
You gonna hand it to him, you gotta hand it like this right here.
My fault.
Facts.
Safety.
I was never in the
Safe?
military. They didn't teach me.
See, I don't say about your country, you guys, man. I like that.
Yeah, manners. Nah, though, man. Shit, my mama know how to cook, though. She probably one of the best cooks in the hood. Everybody go to my mama's house, you know what I'm saying? Oh, she, you know what I'm saying? She cooking, we going there, but
Do
I ain't
that.
never cooked, so fuck it.
Do that.
Yo, Poppy, listen,
Nah,
Poppy,
sometimes I was
listen,
burning the
take it.
bacon and shit.
Huh?
I used to burn the bacon.
Taste it. Yo, what the fuck?
You eating raw meat?
You eating raw?
This nigga just ate raw meat. What the fuck? He good? What type of chef is he?
Hey.
What type of chef is he?
Good job, nigga. Good job, nigga.
That is not how you do it.
got the paper in there, my boy.
I looked in the previous love and cooking video, and Davis can't cook, so I'm gonna have to carry the nigga, I guess. Like it's just something that anytime Davis on your team, you just gotta carry the nigga. So I'm just do my best to pull most of the leverage, you know what I'm saying? And what we cooking today?
Egg salad, you want to use a really nice flavorful tomato. It's nice to get.
I think Kai and Phantom are gonna win though. I got Kai and Phantom winning.
Now a serrated knife.
That's what we doing?
You can each gonna come in second.
Knife is.
Duke has no cooking ability. That's fine. We'll cheat most likely regardless.
Never mind, they gonna come in last.
Duke
Never
orders
mind.
DoorDash all day, every day, or Uber Eats. I don't know what his app of choice is. What I do know is he does that shit 5 times a day. So there's a good chance that'll probably be part of our strategy going forward.
That's gonna be part of our strategy. And then we order DoorDash.
I think Chris
That way.
potentially a good partner. Will he get injured? Will he get injured? If he finds a way to like mess up his finger or tear his you never know. Chris.
Oh shit!
His ACL.
Oh, come on. Yo, you wild, bro. Not a nigga right here. The nigga right here is balls, bro. He's wildin', bro.
None of us like tomatoes.
It's alright.
Like, I take them out most of the time. You know what I'm saying? This is... What is that?
You know what I'm saying? Like, I probably fucked up a little bit on this, but my shit look immaculate.
I feel like there should be a machine
Immaculate.
for us, though.
My mans, what the fuck you doing right there, bro?
Oh, that's my dog. He be in there cooking. He got a little weird, food. You know what I'm saying? Choices. I seen the nigga eating. What the nigga eating? What, steak and watermelon and on some other shit. I'm like, shit. You know
Nigga said steak and watermelon.
I seen him cooking salmon the other day too.
Chop it. Chop it. Chop it. Chop. Chop it. Ah, they cutting it in.
He not him. You know what I'm saying? He's not him. Kai and Phantom is where things get a little mixy. You know what I'm saying? Because Phantom, he got the experience.
That's what I'm saying. I think Kai and Phantom are gonna win, yeah.
He has the credentials. You know what I'm saying?
You better make this the Aki way.
The Aki way.
Hey, bro, I want to chop cheese. The
Aki way. Yeah.
I want to chop cheese on the roll. Bruce. I want to chop cheese on the roll. The Aki way. No.
You cut himself?
Why would you do that?
Did he have?
Oh, he actually is. Why would you do that?
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. This
Why
is real. That's real. Oh my god. Oh
He
my
cut himself?
Fucking God.
Oh. Catch up. Catch up. Catch up.
Yo, I thought you took your finger off, bro.
Hey, wait.
No. Do we need to stop? Let's hold on. Wait a second. Who the fuck likes tomatoes? Do we need tomatoes?
I like tomatoes.
You ever cut yourself before cutting tomatoes?
I had the full Gumby at one point. My shit was gone.
Yeah.
Like, I don't feel nothing here.
Oh, you're like, your nerves and shit for
You're winning right now.
I ain't gonna do. I used to put it in the girl's thing. I never felt it right there, so she used to love it.
Wow.
She twirl it around. I ain't feel shit.
Don't you want to feel something?
I mean, nah. When you
Right.
in that deep,
How can you tell if you're on the clit if you can't feel?
Right.
You talking about the dance, my boy?
Oh, you're a freak. I'm not concerned about no other teams.
Oh, he talking about the ass. I thought he was talking about the clit too.
Gonna make an inedible meal.
Nigga talking about the
So,
ass. You
Davis
little
team
dirty
off the
ass.
rip, don't worry about it.
Don't say I don't even feel it. Don't you want to feel it? I'm trying to say right. Don't you want to feel it?
What? Nigga, we on the line. What the fuck are you doing? Nigga, we like, you about to skip me on this line, nigga. Where am I looking?
Y'all don't have to be in this video. We're being honest. You guys are not gonna win.
Agent, you're not gonna win because Phantom is better than you. Like,
Don't
Phantom
gas
is
like
way
this nigga,
better.
bro.
No,
Yeah,
Phantom
gas,
is
no
way
bullshit.
better
Talk to
than
that
you.
nigga.
And you are the worst cooker in
Talk to him.
AMP.
Talk to him.
You are
Talk
the
to
worst
him.
cooker in AMP.
Bro, this nigga lame,
Get
bro.
out.
Talk to him. Get it.
Hey,
talk
Mo.
your shit.
You got that,
Bro, your man's right here was throwing the knife around like he was fucking electric and shit. He was fucking the fuck out. No. Go. Everybody run. Everybody get the fuck out of here. Everybody get out of here.
Ain't none of my business. You know what I'm saying? The world will be a way better place if people just mind their own business. They ain't got nothing to do with me, so
Facts.
that ain't my concern.
Facts.
He about to just jam the meat.
Whole better world, people just mind their fucking business.
Cool. Why you telling us that though? Like, yo, what's
Damn.
going on?
He be getting down and dirty.
What you? Oh shit! Oh my god! Yo, get him back! Get him back! Get him back! Get him back! Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Yo, come on! Fight back! Oh my! God damn it, Chris! Oh, did he hit you with that pillow? Uh-oh. Chris, you know what pillow you got hit with?
What pillow was that?
That's the cum pillow.
Nigga,
there's socks in here?
There's a sock in here?
Nigga.
The fuck is a cum pillow? Who the fuck got a cum pillow?
Then you just stuff it.
Like what you mean?
Stuff it, bro.
Like hard?
Yeah.
Are we talking about food, guys?
Yeah, nigga. Lock in, but I tweak the fuck out.
Fuck these guys.
Woo! 20. Behind the back. For 3. Lob. 20. Hey.
Let's go! Oh, this fucking guy.
What they making waffles? Ooh. They getting to it. The Aki way.
Some fucking lobster type shit. You talking about glizzy, bro?
You know lobsters are bottom feeders, right?
I don't know
What's that
what
mean?
they is.
I don't know what that means.
So,
I don't give a fuck what they is. That bitch buzzing.
yeah, the fourth and bottom of those.
Niggas, I don't give a fuck what they
How
is.
would you tell us that before we? You should have kept that to yourself. I feel like you shouldn't have told us that right there,
That
man.
shit busting, bro.
What you want to do is you want to grab a little bit of mayonnaise.
Okay.
Hey,
Whoa.
hold on real quick. I gotta
Whoa, dude.
Hold on. Keep it all the way up. 1,000.
Yeah, 100 or 1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
You eat mayonnaise sandwiches, don't you?
Mayonnaise sandwiches. I'm not eating no mayo sandwich.
$50.
$100 right now. You eat a mayonnaise sandwich.
A mayonnaise sandwich?
No.
Not a mayonnaise sandwich.
You better stop playing with these niggas. So how's the wife and kids, Davis? Everything's been going good, man. You know, just.
You said a mayonnaise sandwich. Ugh. That's a struggle right there, boy.
You know the dog sick.
My wife.
Excuse me.
I think you're ready for the food trip.
Yep.
Wait, we
Excuse
didn't
me, damn.
You're on your own on the trip, my brother.
I'm such an admirer of your work, man.
Yeah, man.
I swear, bro. It's just like you're a legend in these streets, bro.
Easy as fuck. I've been watching TikToks on like food, and they always say like shrimps is, bro. They don't take it, bro. They don't take
Hell
it.
no.
Man, I got an air fryer.
Oh, yeah, hey, throw that bitch right in the air fryer. I ain't never cooked shrimp.
And you know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't fucking with you, bro.
Yo, what they said back then? They didn't want me now.
I ain't seen Kai and Phantom cook shit yet.
KC3S fed with the motherfucking cannon. Boom, nigga. That nigga's his ass. Yo, get out.
What they making, chicken and waffles? They gotta make chicken and waffles.
Nah, you a hating ass.
Get started, nigga.
Hey, you can hear his footsteps.
Bruh, I'm trying to congratulate y'all.
Oh, thank you.
You know what I'm saying?
What they
You
is?
got treated me like shit, made me eat a meal sandwich. That's crazy. Or you did give me a little something for that shit. There you go, brother.
What's this right here?
That's your apron, dog.
Word?
Word.
Graduated from the motherfucking street,
Yes,
nice.
sir. There you go. And it's an urban apron. You see that? You know what I'm saying?
Graduated from the motherfucking street.
Shit, I'm on here. I'm trying to congratulate.
Nigga snatched that shit. Give me my fucking apron. You supposed to been gave me this shit. That bitch bustin'. That bitch bustin'.
Hey! Now do this.
I really rock.
What the fuck was that?
I'm like this, bro.
We gotta get that bitch.
Aprons! Nah! These is jeans! Hold on. I think my shit Dior.
Yo.
You did alright. I mean, I pray for you on that truck, the whole knives in there. Alright, bro? There you go, man.
Bro, there's a fire apron, my brother.
I'm an Avenger now.
Only from Chef Mo himself, bro. Oh my God.
I don't even know who this nigga is. Is he really big, yo? The only chef I know is Gordon Ramsay.
Bottom of my heart, this means so much to me.
Yeah.
Listen, look, I will make you proud.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yes. Cool.
Hey bro. Get sturdy, nigga.
Get sturdy, nigga.
Get sturdy right now.
Get sturdy. Hey.
That butter smells so good, bro. Come on. Under there. Let's use that little kid to attract customers. Yo, whatever little nigga. Hey, look. I'll make you 10 cents an hour if you tell everybody about this food truck, alright? Tell everybody.
Nigga said 10 cents an hour. Yo, Freddy.
Make sure y'all pull up, alright?
You gonna get that nigga $1 at the end of the day.
Top cheese. You gonna have one today? New York style, you gonna have one today for free on the house. But make sure you around, we gonna give it to you. Oh, you going right here. Okay, Mr. B. Goddamn, Mr. B. Hold on. Okay. Chop cheese. I said, let me get a chop cheese.
Chop cheese. Chop cheese.
Hey, yo.
Let me get a chop cheese. Damn.
I'm gonna say it smells good. I hope it tastes good.
Damn.
Chop cheese, darling.
I ain't never had a chopped cheese. I'm from LA. I don't think we have.
Baby, what's your name, sweetheart?
You not nigga, you
Come out the Baltimore. Come out the Baltimore.
What?
Oh, so
What you mean? What you mean you don't like New York? Hold on. What? Fuck you mean you don't like New York? What's going on? What's going on, big dog? We got chopped cheese and stuff on the house.
On the house?
On the house. Yeah, everybody like 20.
So I'm gonna tell the camera. I ain't never had a chopped cheese in my life. And I'm judging, so I hope it's good.
Oh, it's gonna be good. First one's gonna be good. Why that love? You know what I mean?
Okay, well, look, I'll be ready.
Alright, I'm gonna holler at you safely. I think she was on your dick. I think she was on my dick. She was on your dick. I ain't gonna lie. She was on your dick.
He was like,
Like this. Chop it up. Yeah, man. Hey, you gonna get it the Aki way.
The Aki way.
The Aki way. Hey, you gotta have it. You gotta have it.
that should be funny. It seemed like, of course. Damn, that bitch look good as shit. I ain't gonna hold you, boy. I'm ready to make me some food after this shit. I'm hungry as shit. I ain't eat shit yet.
Come on. One food.
God damn, them bitches look bussin'.
Nigga, you know me, nigga. Hey, free food in the house. Pull up. Yeah. You get some, alright? You get, hey, come get your, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Here you go. What's your name, brother? Here you go, here. On the house. Be careful, here. Nice little Arizona for you.
Go on about it, bro.
That bitch look good as shit.
Yeah.
That bitch look good, yo. I'm trying to tell you.
New York to the A. Come on. Yo. How motherfucker taste? Yes, sir. Get this. Hold on. Get that. How that motherfucker taste, gang? Yes, sir. That motherfucker tastes good, right? Hey, shut your ass up, little nigga.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how is Kai's and Phantom's bodega?
Like, I say like a good 9.5.
9.5?
9.5 out of 20?
Yeah, 9 out of 50.
Oh, wait, you said
that was
50?
out of 50.
Yeah.
No, but it's too late.
You're locked in on 9.5.
On a scale from 9 to 10, you know, how was his sandwich? How was his sandwich, my brother?
I mean, come on, bro. You know I'm Go fire.
It was fire?
He didn't finish it. He stopped eating it. He started eating something else.
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Yeah. He was eating the Frank more than the damn sandwich.
Yeah, he left that shit.
I ain't gonna lie, you was eating the glizzy more than the sandwich.
If you like the glizzy, you like the glizzy, it's okay.
Damn, I'm hungry as shit, yo. They make me hungry in the motherfucker. I'm ready to fuck some food after this video.
He said, look,
44 out of 100.
5, 10 out of 10.
Ooh, 5.
Fried the main track.
10 out of 50. Oh,
okay.
let's go.
No, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, we heard you. 10 out of 50. All right,
back 10 out of 50.
We got you. No problem.
Okay.
They hold on. They about to make some food too. It's three companies. Oh wait, hold on. What you say? What you say?
We don't want there.
Oh yeah. Hold on. What y'all saying?
We don't want there.
Oh wait, say it a little bit louder. Y'all don't want who's?
There.
Oh y'all don't want them niggas?
We don't want them niggas.
We got right here, we got the chopped cheese special coming straight out the flame from the Brook era.
With the Arizona, oh my god.
I want y'all to respect it.
Oh, I'm fucking hungry, boy.
Look, it's a New York signature, the chopped cheese. Have you ever heard of chopped cheese? No. I've never heard of it.
What you mean? I seen him on TikTok, the one on the end, yo. I seen him before.
Hold on. Slow it down.
Like a bootleg, and I see what you.
Yeah.
Just that's not quite there. But no, we gonna try it. We gonna.
Hey, look, we don't got time for no games. This
Go
is
ahead,
real
bite
shit.
that in. Go ahead, do your thing. First bite, see what y'all.
Okay.
No ass, but I would have chopped that motherfucker.
I got the chopped cheese first.
We got rolls and shit.
The fries are good.
The fries is fine, yeah.
Fries are good.
These joints alright.
I'm real picky.
Okay, alright. Go take a bite. Hey, Pete, go take a nice bite in that.
Okay, hold on. He munching. Hold on, he munching.
Hold on, y'all.
It is like in and out.
Look, I'm gonna be going
Why
to
y'all
y'all
mad
niggas.
at in and out?
Y'all niggas need to put some mayonnaise on that shit.
Nice.
Not mayonnaise on it. We just
We ain't put enough. Like, it's alright. But the meat don't got that much. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Look, we don't got time for no games. No, I keep it a band, bro.
Keep it a bang.
I took a bite. I still been chewing this whole time. I ain't been able to really check nothing. It might need a little more of that.
More flavor in the meat. Wait, hold on. What you say? Can you say it again? What you say?
I like it.
Hold on.
Thank you, baby girl.
I don't like it.
You're not taking bigger bites. I gotta take.
Why you gotta chomp that bitch? Y'all taking these low ass bites, what I'm saying. You gotta bite that motherfucker.
How did the fries? The fries hit. I fuck with the fries. Yeah, fries good. Hey, this the Red Robin fries. This is Red Robin, y'all.
I don't know what's going on with him. I ain't gonna lie.
I think, you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I'm hella picky and I actually like
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
It tastes good. It's something I would order.
Yeah, I got some seafood for you a little later.
Seafood.
And you know, it's like they try and bamboozle you with the Arizona. if they really cared about you, they'd have served you the mango. They was just telling me how great this meal
Nah,
was.
it's the green tea for me. The green tea or the fruit punch.
Hey, good thing.
I want the Arizona now too. Damn. But I'm doing all water. I'm all water. Too much strong. I'm gonna hold like 2 years. I'm gonna do 2 years.
Hey, you had the bull, huh?
What's up with you?
Hey, you had the bull,
Huh?
You had the bull?
No, I ain't. Hey, but you got people that's around you, they gonna try to bust us down.
Yeah,
keep these haters at your face.
Yeah.
Chicken and waffles?
I don't know what to do. I don't know.
You can't fuck up chicken and waffles, yo. Like,
I see. No, I don't know.
how you fuck up chicken? You can't fuck up chicken and waffles. Come on, Christian Davis. You can't fuck up chicken and
It's
waffles.
fucking helpless. It's fucking helpless. It's fucking. Hey, you're not helping me. You're supposed to be a fucking chef.
No Nintendo.
Chef Mo.
No Nintendo.
No Nintendo. Nigga said no Nintendo. Ew. They cooked it already?
What the fuck is you doing, bro? This
Right.
is the fryer right here to get the wings right here. This is the fryer, bro.
My bad. Damn. Alright. Thank you for.
What the fuck is he doing? Alright, I was ready to say what the fuck. Why you got on the skillet?
Oh, my bad. My bad.
You gotta deep fry them bitches, man.
Alright. I'm sorry. Where the fuck is Davis?
My man
Sometimes,
chilling.
bro, you don't. Yo, some of y'all, man, your chefs is dirty. Yo, bro, you clean your hands today? You clean your hands today? Clean your fucking hands, nigga. Get back in the truck. Clean your hands and get back in the truck,
Get back in
man.
the kitchen, nigga.
Whoa, that's sexist.
I said to you, really good question. Where did you wash your hands today?
He didn't wash his hands. He don't wash his hands. We
There
know
is
this.
nowhere to wash your hands. So where did you?
Sanitizer. You're on
With
my
what? With
dick.
what? Where is it? I want some.
In my
Can
car.
I ask?
Oh my god.
Nigga taking a hands
Call
out.
him. He's a no call no show, dog. No call no show. No call no show. He's not coming, dog. He's not picking
You
up.
didn't answer?
Nah.
Oh my god, I can't do this a fucking long. It's called Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles. Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles, and right now it's Chris Chicken and Waffles.
It could be Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo. Mo and Chris.
Hey.
Oh, you want to go first? Chris and Mo sounds good.
You know what I'm saying?
Chris and Mo.
That's what I want to tell you.
Okay.
You're probably becoming last place.
Hey,
Don't
John.
let that demoralize you.
Phantom's better than you.
In what?
Life, nigga.
And now you're on Phantom's cock. You're riding heavily.
Yeah, he definitely is.
Phantom better.
At what?
Phantom better.
Oh.
God damn! Hey, 7 more. 7 more. It wouldn't be. Oh no, we gonna go like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look who finally made it, bro.
Nah, fuck that nigga, man.
Come on, bro. What is? Yeah, Bobby, where you was at, Bobby?
This shit is good.
We're at work and you eating, my boy?
We're at a restaurant. This is work, nigga.
Yo, rub me my fucking chicken and waffles.
Phantom is better than you.
You're right.
Okay?
Get off his dick.
Dick riding.
Right.
Dick riding.
Bro, we wasn't doing that. We was not doing that shit.
Okay, I have a question.
I'm trying to help you out. There is not one thing being cooked right now.
Bro, come on, bro.
Y'all chilling.
Who the fuck is he?
I'll hook you up with some shit afterwards. And I can pay you a little extra if you just move them hating ass niggas away from my shit.
Okay, I got you.
Can you? It's one short nigga, dreads, and then one with a puppy bush. I don't have problems with nobody else. Everybody fucking cool. But Agent 000 and Hassan
And Lil C-Nat. We call him Lil C-Nat. We need them packed up out of here. I need them.
Niggas got security.
Yes, right?
You see him talking to my mom right there? Okay.
Agent always got fast. Hey, go.
Get him next time.
Next time?
Next time.
He kind of just burned you, bro.
Bro, how the fuck you let Agent burn your dumb ass up?
I just grab it.
Grab the whole thing, bro.
I put a waffle there.
One each.
I put it in the
One
waffle
each,
there.
boom.
One
more.
Hey,
One more.
That little ass waffle.
Customer satisfaction first, nigga.
Alright, no. No, I was gonna eat it. Hey, yeah, come on.
Hey. Okay. Of course I got it, chef, my brother.
Sauce it up. Come on, bro. Come on. Sauce it up. Oh, you're not listening. One flat, one drum, bro. If you was listening to the ordinary, the greatness of Chef Mo, you
want
know
Chef
him.
Mo dick right now, I ain't gonna lie.
So what?
Oh.
Yeah, so what? So what I'm on his dick?
What you mean?
I just wanted to hate peacefully.
I just wanted to hate peacefully.
Hello. Welcome to Kristen Davis's Southern Comfort Chicken and Waffles. Make some noise if you're ready for some fucking waffles. Thank you.
I'm on hold, baby. I'm about to shut them niggas down, man. They better act
Nigga
quick.
called the cops.
I'm done with them. Actually, on some real shit.
On some current shit.
This cooking is a mistake. I've made it before. Don't be one of me.
Come on, man. Try my shit, y'all. Come on, bro. Come on, Avery. Try my shit, nigga. Hey, is he a judge? You a judge? Yeah, nah. Hell nah. You all right. Try my motherfucking chicken and waffles. Come on, nigga.
What the fuck is that?
It's not solid. It's not solid.
You put coastline to make it look lavish.
Come on, it is lavish, nigga.
What is that?
You been in the gym, you know what I'm saying? I've been thinking about that, you know what I'm saying? Like niggas might be healthy, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me throw some coleslaw on it for the healthy niggas.
What kind of chicken is it, too?
What kind of chicken?
Yeah.
Vegan and shit, all that shit. You healthy, right?
There were some kids shooting like maybe a music video or selling food out of a food truck in his private parking lot.
In his private parking lot?
Correct.
Okay, so I'll be happy to assist you, but, so you think are they doing it now, or?
Yeah, like right now, I'm looking at them do it.
How y'all liking the food?
Does it taste good?
Oh, I thought that was a female, yo.
What you say?
I'm gonna be real, right?
I thought it was a female. I was ready to say I like her hair.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
The hair is tough though, but not for a nigga
Give it
though.
like an 8.5.
8.5. What's wrong with it? What'll make it a 10?
I need a little bit. I need some of Davis's blonde, you know what I'm saying, sprinkled in that bitch, right? Duke, need to spit on it. Kai need to dance on this bitch. And then like one of Chris's beard hairs. Work to my dead.
Nothing from
Agent?
Agent?
You know what I'm saying? You said what?
Nothing from Agent?
Agent just need to be there and then it's straight, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
What the fuck is he talking about?
Why you not eating?
I'm fasting.
Oh, you fasting?
No.
Oh, you fasting? You fasting too?
Yeah, I'm fasting.
You fasting?
Yeah.
You fasting? Can you eat?
Should I try speaking with them first? Like, I don't know what to tell them. I guess we.
I don't want to advise. I mean.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just try.
Hey! Are y'all supposed to be here?
Oh my god, I think they're okay. Okay, I have to go. They're walking towards me.
Okay.
Okay, I have to.
You need help?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.
Fuck's your
I
problem?
gotta go. All right.
Who the fuck you yelling at?
Oh, okay. Wait, 1 sec. Wait.
Come on, bro. Just try my damn shit,
don't
nigga.
look good,
Nigga, take
bro.
a bite. Take a bite,
Right.
nigga. Just take a bite, nigga. You can't.
You see him make this?
I'm just busting.
Oh, hold on, chicken. Come on. Chicken. Man, you just eat it with your grills like that? Come on, nigga. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't do you dirty. Take your time. I want you, take your time as you judge.
It is my humble.
I heard you don't wash your hands. That's all.
Nah, go. We got
Whoa.
members to me. This guy that don't wash none of his hands.
Can someone hold the lady's stuff? Come on.
Of course.
What's wrong with y'all?
Disrespectful.
It is my humble
I hold
privilege.
it. I hold it.
No, I got it already, man.
I hold it, sweetheart. Look, you got a fucking round next. See, I know you.
What was that? We just walking away, chef?
Yeah.
I like sweet.
So what we call this guy right here?
This right here is called the Davis.
All right.
You named it after yourself?
It was named after me.
Dirty ass
Agent,
nigga.
get the fuck out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You guys need to be as honest as possible here in this criticism.
Now, honestly, hey, fuck what he's saying because I'm holding your stuff. Now I got a phone in your hand. I will drop that motherfucker. I'm not. But if you say it's good, you know what I'm saying your shit is.
Now
fake.
he may not be able to run away with it, but I have perfectly capable niece. I will run with it.
Yes. I know you fuck with it. Look, you know what I'm saying?
Not bad.
It's missing something.
Not bad though.
Sauce on it.
Yo, no, I ain't gonna. You being picky ass nigga right now, bro.
Stop.
You being mad picky for no reason right now.
I ain't gonna lie. You
tighten up, bro. Tighten up.
You just hating the hate.
But I don't know if I needed the sauerkraut. I don't know
Too much sauce, but it's good though.
Okay.
Yeah, it can go. Let me see the waffle now though. Nah, the waffle's soggy, bro. What's going on? I like the presentation.
No. That's because of the syrup. It desaturated the.
So you over sauced it?
No, I didn't over sauce it.
Oh, you did.
It's just the sauce, the type of sauce.
But you know who's not saying anything?
You just spit it out.
I don't like waffles. Yeah, the chicken wings are good. The waffles don't. Nah, the waffles need work.
Disrespectful.
You know what it is,
How the
bro?
fuck you fuck up
Like, me
waffles?
personally, I don't know, but I eat my waffles like cooked properly, like it has to have a little crunch on it.
Hell yeah, you gotta have that little crunch to your
I
waffle.
ain't gonna lie. How you know you're not soggy?
Yeah. No. Pause. Okay.
What? How? How is that pause?
That's pause.
He said, how you know you not soggy, right, nigga?
Whoa. Now that's pause. That's pause. His pause is way over your pause.
Hey, yo, Chris.
Yeah.
That sauce is crazy, bro. It carried everything. Man, fuck, it's a 10.
Woo!
Okay.
Yes.
Everybody decides. You guys are okay because they don't wash their hands here.
No, that's called love.
That's called love. That's called love. Character. As long as you guys are okay with it. That's where the salt comes from. Davis actually
That's called love, nigga. That's called germs. Fuck is he talking about? That's called COVID.
My elbows out today. That's how you know he lying. You were hating that shit.
Shave it with the green.
You do not deserve a platform.
And you deserve to be canceled.
Come on, my brother. Look. You said 7.5? Let's go a little higher. What you want in life? What you want in your life right now, bro?
I got a nice place. I got a nice place we can hoop at. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got a nice.
Nah, he don't care about basketball, nigga. See, and I knew that. He didn't know that.
Ain't no funny shit.
I really care about you.
Hey, sometimes I be going to Icebox and just buying niggas I go with shit. You know what I'm saying?
I need a change.
Hey, you want some grills too?
Yeah. You gonna let him lie to you like that? Yeah, this shit a 10, man.
Talk to me, gang. Now what you gonna say?
I literally have a video.
God himself, I cooked that shit with a little bit of help too. But I'm just saying, God, bro. What you gonna do?
I see Mo cooking by himself right now, bro.
Hey,
Oh, that was Mo. Oh yeah, Mo was helping his ass. Hell yeah.
Yo, bro, he's cooking right now. Oh, bro.
Open the door! What? I'm cooking this shit right now. He gonna say I wasn't cooking this shit. Look at Evan. I'm not cooking right now.
You just got in there.
What do you mean? You here to take care of them? Huh? You here to take care of them right there? Yeah. Good. Good. Oh, okay. Get a truck. Security is.
Nigga said get in the trunk.
Automatic, buddy.
Cause the guy's in the trunk.
He already talked to security. It don't even matter, man. We sold out because we did so fucking good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look, yeah, we see you hating and shit, trying to tear us down. But my brother is doing good anyway.
It's not me, man. It's not me.
Hey, get this nigga off the premises. Get this nigga off the premises, please.
Oh shit. They got crabs?
We got some lobster and shrimp.
Oh, they got lobster. Oh, that's tough to cook. They lost. They lost.
Hey, bro, we gotta.
Duke and them lost, y'all.
In the business, I'm a businessman now. I got a truck. This is called customer acquisition. My customer acquisition cost is 0. Check this out. Y'all trying to eat some free food? We got some lobster and shrimp. Yo, went to the spot, got me some breaded shrimp. You know what I'm saying? Some breaded shrimp right here, man. This already cooked, low key. So, just in case we, you know what I'm saying, we fuck up the meal a little bit, Publix had me covered.
Yeah, Agent be on it.
Really
These are just in case we fuck up a little bit. We got these.
Like shit. So.
Got them ready to cook already.
This is like a food court. That was called food court.
Food truck. Food truck.
Food truck. Right around this corner right here.
Right here?
If you not busy. What do you mean?
I'm not sure.
That means I only eat fish.
It's seafood. It's seafood.
Has you see a little man with a red hat?
Hey, look. She finna go get some seafood. What she call it? Presbyterian?
Pescatarian.
That's exactly what she said.
Seafood, whatever the fuck they call the chef says, it can't serve it. It's unservable. Alright, what the fuck is going on, bro? What happened? The actual food ran out. Nah, Judge.
Oh, God, I ate like 30. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just by myself, man, holding it down, doing them customer acquisition. You know what I'm saying? It's called guerrilla marketing. You feel me? When you want the budget to spend crazy, it's called guerrilla marketing. It's what some of you do where you just really use. No, bro, I have no idea how to do any of this. So I'm gonna start with the shrimp, and then we're gonna move on to the lobster. I wish I had Duke here right now. Let's take a look on the shrimp. Oh my God, it's close. It's close.
Ain't done, bro.
Hey, what's up?
How did the customer acquisition go?
Come on, man. You see the line outside, man. What a
we got gloves for you right here, man.
Yep. I need them.
You know what I'm saying? I got this opened up. The shrimp is cooking right there, man. So
sanitary.
Yeah, of course.
Sanitary,
of course.
okay.
So this is what we about to do. I'm gonna have you butter up the buns.
Okay.
And like toast them for me.
Toast them, motherfuckers.
And we're gonna put these in together.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna take care of the shrimp, and we gotta do one more last shrimp.
Okay.
Good right now. Hey, security. Hey, Kai, please don't make too much noise. Security, if anyone acts up, bro, pack them up. ASAP. If you hear a noise.
Hey, gang. So boom, right?
So
I'm putting butter in
the middle and on the outside. Boom. And then flip it.
Say the
just
fuck,
like that, man.
Say the fuck less, hoe ass.
Let me see. Alright. They cool.
If I was cooking this, because I put more than one down, bro.
What? More than one what? This is the fourth one. Bro, y'all niggas is bad slow.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. You can't be that hateful. Hey, bro. Get out. Security.
Hey, man, what he at, man? What a nigga at, man?
The chef nigga.
Yeah.
Tell him to leave. Yo, I know I overcooked this. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I overcooked this, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Yo!
I thought we could fucking handle it.
Where you at, bro?
Shut the fuck up. Get out.
Bro, you ain't even got this shit ready yet.
Hey, yo, buddy. Get
Right.
the crowd hype, will you? Yo, Asia, perform, nigga. Perform. Yo, get steady, bro. They mad quiet and shit. They're not even having a good time.
That is your job. That's your job. You get 30.
Nah. Yo, get 30, bro. Yo, get the crowd hype, bro.
Yo, dude,
Hey, you a bitch.
You's a bitch.
God damn.
Bro, New York niggas talking about doing backflip. You already know what I'm gonna tell them niggas to do.
Okay. Look, dude, don't say nothing, but I do have some already cooked shrimp here, and I have some already cooked bread there that's already cooked. So if we fuck up for whatever reason, we're straight.
Hey, man, tell everybody in the crowd to shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Man.
Oh, this shit whack, nigga. Yo,
I need quiet.
Hey, I want to do that. I want to do that. Hey, look. I want to do that. Hey, yo, my nigga. Hey, my nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Wait, hold on. Everybody be quiet. If I was y'all, I'll run the back of this truck. That's me though.
Who's that one in the back of the truck for all our mama? Where's the food?
Oh, we scared of bullets.
Nigga says, oh, we scared of bullets. Oh.
My nigga is ready to die.
He said he ready to die for.
Hey, dude, shoot him. Shoot him. He ready to die. He ready to die.
We want food. We want food.
This not a fast food truck. This seafood. Hey. I don't like y'all inciting violence. We're not about to have it.
I got my first two for my dogs right here.
Yeah. Hey, follow me on Instagram.
Follow my dog.
Wait, so what is it? Is
Hey, look, come on. This nigga been begging all day.
that is?
That nigga been begging all motherfucking day. Hey, look, nigga been chatting the whole time. Nigga get food. Oh, he's stealing. Hey, look, nigga. Hey,
Bro, it's like all the hard work, bro. There's no appreciation. It's just more criticism and more hate.
What? That's not. What they got? Shrimp lobster sandwiches?
Yo, let me out to the back. You
know what's funny is they didn't even cook for their own.
Hey yo,
Shut that shit down. Don't stop trying.
I'm getting bullied. I'm just gonna call the police. I'm like 1 second away from just
Turn
calling
up
the
the
police.
gas.
I'm not pissed. Yeah.
He crying. He got tears in his eyes. Hey, yo, buddy, you had to throw it up on him, gang. That's crazy. Look, he about to quit his job.
Why they bullying that nigga like that?
You are out of business. Nigga, go get a J-O-B. You are not an entrepreneur, nigga. Yo, you fell off. You not fun. You fell off. Look at you. What are you doing?
Hey, leave my man's alone, bro. What you talking about over there, man? Get out of
Where the fuck was you at? Fucking them bitches up though.
Hey, y'all sure y'all want to eat their food though?
Bro, I mean, shit.
Yeah, would you trust Duke and Adrian cooking for you?
Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
I mean, but they not the chefs though.
That's what I'm saying. Now that shit.
I think you're just being L-man for real though.
You're being weird.
I'm not even weird. Like, and these supposed to be your brothers, and you're not even supporting them.
Nah, slick. You listen to me like
shit is whack. Shit. How do you know?
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna let you eat the food and throw it, nigga. That's what I get. That's what I get for trying to look out for another brother.
Go rolled off on a scooter.
What What you say? Bro, chill, bro. You said you got what?
Look.
I got more, nigga. Let me rub it in there, you know what I'm saying?
Look, fucking the shrimps up though.
I'm not ready to die for Duke. Excuse me? I said I'm not ready to die for Duke. Too many black people out here. You want to tell Duke that you're not ready to die? Come on. Do a backflip!
Do a backflip. Do a backflip. Do a backflip. Do a backflip.
Hey, bro. We got goddamn no water. We got Coke and Dr. Pepper type shit.
What type of shit? What type of nigga this is? Yo, this is a fucking lobster restaurant, my brother. That's the only shit y'all got?
Bro, get the fuck out.
Oh my god.
I want to talk to you. I'm gonna see you after work. Hey, I'm gonna see you after work.
We got the seafood. We got Asian and Duke. I don't know how it's gonna be. I'm
That
a
shit
little
would be
nervous,
nasty though.
but we gonna see. We gonna see. I like seafood. I'm anxious. I'm excited. I love seafood, so I hope they impress me.
Bro, why the fuck?
Bro, you scared, nigga?
Bro, why is y'all worried? Bro, why the fuck y'all worried about my business though?
Okay, but what this got to do with you? What this got to do with you though? My own business.
Are you a lobster landlord? You walk around this bitch asking motherfuckers like, you know what I'm saying? Like, mind your business.
Hey, yo, alright, you got it.
Hey, fellas, listen. Of course.
I'll hold that for you.
What is this?
Bev of choice?
It's a lobster. You got some water, my brother?
Yikes, we don't do water, just soft drinks.
What we got?
Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, orange juice. Give me one of the Sprites, man.
I'll take an orange juice, man. I'll take an
Coke, Sprite. Okay, hold.
Hey, listen. Hey, look. Before y'all dig in, all right? It's about presentation. Okay. It did not present it well.
Does it taste better?
Yeah. No. I was going down.
It's got like a chicken salad aroma.
Like Blue Lagoon water.
Nigga said Blue Lagoon water.
Texture.
Nigga said that bitch like. They say it's like Blue Lagoon water.
Look at him. He's so. Look at this nigga.
He ready to throw the fuck up.
Oh, nah, nigga do this right here is raps.
That means it's incredible.
Nah, I mean that shit nasty.
This shit ass, bro.
Right.
I'm sorry, bro.
That shit nasty. What you talking when nigga hit this right here? I mean, it's hard to swallow.
This tastes like an MRE, my boy.
Ooh.
And you know we don't like that, bro. Come on.
This is the last cooking video.
Yeah, them MREs nasty as shit. Them little army MREs nasty as shit, yo.
That's Chris Mann. You might have to. Not right now, though. Not right now. Wait till. Nah.
Nigga, rip that shit down. Stop that bitch. Stop that bitch. Yeah.
Hey, after these 3 days of tasting, man, after deliberation, the chopped cheese, chicken and waffles, this amazing lobster roll, we decided on a team. That team is
Ka. Yeah, of course them. The Aki way. Second was the chicken and waffles.
It was hella good. Hey, they doubted us. Look at him now. Hi, there. Hey, nigga, you doubted us. Look at us now. Fuck, nigga.
Fuck, nigga.
Hey, look. A lobster roll was ass, bro. Hey, look, man. Where the other judge at? I'm missing the judge. New York up. Yo, we up 2,000. 2,000. Up 1,000. 2,000. 3,000. What you talking about, man? Come on, 3,000, man. 4,000. 5,000.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Around me. Please, around me. Come up right quick. Yeah.
Yeah. Hungry as shit now.
I never felt it before.
Excuse me.
What?
Hold on. Let me say congratulations.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Come on.
Congratulations, dog.
Hey, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, bro. No, sir. Come here. Winner's over. Hey, look. Hey, clap it up for Client Phantom real quick. Clap it up for Client Phantom.
Yeah.
Bro, the edit right there was...
Hey, hold on.
Uh-huh.
Good shit. You used to go to jail for that, bro. You used to go to jail for that, bro. For riding dick with no license.
Nigga said for riding dick with no license. Yeah. Hey man, I know that was a long ass video, but we 48 man. I think it's the longest video I ever did on this channel. But yo, them niggas is funny as shit. They got me hungry as shit. Fam and Kyle got me hungry as shit for one of them chopped cheeses. So I ain't gonna hold you with a fucking Arizona. Woo! But I didn't get what Duke and Agent was doing. Like, they said they had lobster and shrimp, but it was on a fucking sandwich. Like, that shit just sound nasty. I don't know if that's what they did or not. But yeah, that's what I'm doing for this video. Let me know what y'all see down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the vibe, man. Peace.